Good morning. It's a beautiful, cloudy, but still beautiful spring day. And we taken the weekend off from hiking. So, got some stuff done. So, what do I do with the rest of my time? A dress! I got this dress at Goodwill, and it's pretty, but it is not my style, and I wanted to do something with it.
It's so plain.
It's very plain. It's not going to be plain anymore.
Good.
So, let's do this, wifey. I need you to put the dress on, wifey.
Is that a fact?
Yes, it's a fact. It is in fact 2 facts.
Fine.
Thank you, wifey.
The material in this is itchy as hell. I hope you give it a liner.
Wifey is going to be my dress template.
Yes, I have a couple of those.
Right, wifey. You need to put that over the top of it. You're gonna look ridiculous.
It's true.
I love you. It's perfect.
For a basketball player.
Wifey said I should wear it, and she has a point.
It's her measurements.
I know, it is my measurement, so I have to wear it.
I mean, who wants to draw lines to fit somebody else? I sincerely hope you're gonna like blur that.
There.
Dad, you're forgetting the shirt.
I look ridiculous.
So if Michael Jordan's in the house, can he critique the new WNBA uniform? Q Nelson.
Alright, so the idea is I have to have this even. Might need to pin it. Just using this as to draw lines just a little bit outside of it so we know where to cut. So I'm going to hold it in place and wifey's going to draw around me.
For the record, I did not go to beauty school, and I do not enjoy this activity. This is why I didn't do this crap in high school.
Perfect. Right. Looks like we have a thing.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna test it out. What wifey did with her knife case, that is awesome. I love it.
A little bit of paracord can be one of the best survival tools you can get.
Good job, wifey. Not too bad. That actually works. I have a little bit of underboob here. Yay. Here go, wavy. Dingy wavy. Okay. plan.
You
It's
grew
gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing.
just a little bit.
Hmm.
Here, let me investigate, wifey. Let me just. I need to investigate a little, make sure it fits properly. Oh no, it's a little tight. A little tight.
Oh my goodness, Wifey.
Oh, it might work. I think it might work.
Need some help for the next part.
To the balcony.
Mermaids and rainbows. Hello? Are we intruding? Lovely. Cool. We was gonna ask V if she can hymn something for me.
Yeah.
But she's not here. That's not gonna happen tonight, so I guess I'm just gonna have to wait. I was so really wanting to do this tonight, but it's okay. I'm gonna get it done.
One eternity later.
Second attempt. Let's go find them. Hi!
Meet me. I'm big.
Thank you for helping us.
Never welcome.
Right, so here's what we got. I know it may seem a little ridiculous right now, but this is only stage 1. We're gonna need the inner parts here,
So you need this inner part pleated.
and the whole front split wide enough for garments.
Yeah, I could totally do that.
Yay! Thank you.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Ready, Sammy? And pull that in tight.
That works.
Bam.
That works.
And it covers up the nipples.
Yes. Well, that's going to show a lot of boobage. Perfect. This is going to be neat. Do your thing.
Oh, right, that thing. Fine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that jazz. Share with your friends. Check out our Facebook, our Instagram, our Twitter. Leave any comments and shit down there. Check out our hiking videos over here. Foraging videos and stuff over here. Channeling down here. And,
Thanks for watching.
see you next time.
Bye.